see all these weapons around me. We do not promote violence of any kind, and this is just our obsession. Before starting the review of these weapons, I just want to say this is an indoor review, and it's going to stay like this for today because of coronavirus. The situation of COVID has taken over the world. So as you can see, all these guns here with me, these are all of Turkish origin, and these are shotgun. This is the compact version, however, of the Turkish Bellini shotgun. So if you would come a little closer, I would show you this shotgun. This is a Kral XPS. This is also a Kral XPS. Both of these are basically Kral XPS. But we just have a few different changes here. As you can see here, this is a torchlight, and it also has a laser inside it. So you can use it as a torch and a laser as well. And this is a tactical choke. We also have it applied in this one as well. And then you can see this is the carrying handle of the gun. So you can see that like we can carry it around with us, and it's so efficient. It's easy to carry. Like it won't bother you like that. So we have some mechanical sights here. Okay, these come with the gun, and this is a red dot scope basically. As these are shotguns, 12 gauge shotguns. These are for basically shorter, closer ranges. So before using these guns, you have to check the safety precautions of these guns. So first, we're going to check out the safety precautions of these guns. We have to know that these guns are safe, right? There's no bullet inside, and whenever you want to check that this gun is safe, we're going to take it out like this. You have to always point the gun down, alright? Don't point it towards anyone. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to press this handle right here, take it out like this. Then what you're going to do is you see the safety rail, right? Push it down, push it back like this. Look, nothing inside, right? It's all empty. And point it down, alright? Safety. So basically this right here, this is a grip. So जब भी आप फायर कर रहे होते हैं, इधर से आप पकड़ के ग्रिप करके, ठीक है, फायर कर सकते हैं ताकि गन स्टेबल रहे, ठीक है. You can have direct shots at your target. और ये नीचे जो बाइपॉड है, ठीक है, आप ये भी नीचे कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. और दिस इज फॉर अगर आप लेटे हैं, ठीक है ना, तो आप नीचे रख के इसको आप यूज भी कर सकते हैं फॉर स्नाइपर्स. इफ यू कम हियर, वी हैव दिस Turkish Bellini. ये उसका कॉम्पैक्ट वर्जन है बेसिकली, ठीक है. और ये भी शॉर्ट गन ही है, और ये कॉम्पैक्ट भी है. As you can see, how is it compact? Like you press this button, ये पीछे से इसका जो है बॉडी अंदर हो जाता है, ठीक है. और ये क्यों करते हैं लोग? क्योंकि अगर वो गाड़ी में बैठे हुए हैं तो जगह कम होती है, तो ये आप अंदर करके इसको कॉम्पैक्ट बना सकते हैं. इजी टू कैरी अराउंड विथ यू, आपको तंग नहीं करेगी गन. वापस, ठीक है. और ये भी इसका ऊपर एक स्कोप है, ठीक है. और ये इसकी आप देख सकते हैं, दिस इज ऑल्सो ए मैकेनिकल डॉट. Turkish Bellini. This is also Turkish, alright? So इसकी भी हम पहले सेफ्टी चेक करेंगे. You see this button right here? इसको आप दबाएं, इसका मैगजीन निकला, हमेशा नीचे रख के check it. Safety. No bullet inside. ठीक है? So हम अभी Bellini को रखेंगे. ये जो गन है ना, this is one of my favorite shotguns. इसका जो weight है, it's around about 3.8 kg to 4.2 kg, ठीक है. So that makes it easy to carry around with you at all times. Meaning ये 3 magazines में आती है, ठीक है, 258 में. और ये जो है Turkish Bellini, it's a 3.5-10 magazine capacity. It also comes with 3 magazines. And now if you move to this gun, this is a Maverick MRC 912. This is also a compact shotgun. It also has a laser attached to it right here. If you can see it turning on and off. और इसके भी ये mechanical scopes हैं, mechanical sights हैं आगे, ठीक है. ये मैंने एक ऊपर की हुई है, just so you know, ठीक है. और basically like मैं तो यही कहूँगा कि इसके साथ जो mechanical इसकी जो sight आती है, scope आता है, you use that, okay? And this is a scope as well, a red dot scope. Or like always, what you want to do is check the safety of this gun as well. ठीक है, बटन दबा के इसको निकालेंगे, ठीक है। एंड नाउ वी आर गोना चेक सेफ्टी इसकी, देखें नो बुलेट। दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी कॉम्पैक्ट, इट कम्स वेरी हैंडी, ठीक है। ये आपको बिल्कुल तंग नहीं करती है, बस लगा के आप शुरू हो जाए, ठीक है। तो इट्स वेरी एफिशिएंट, इट्स वेरी वेरी एफिशिएंट। एंड ऑलवेज यूज these mechanical sights, they are very handy। और ये इसका देख सकते हैं आगे tactical choke, इसमें भी tactical choke लगा हुआ है। and this is also a 12 gauge shotgun। आप इसकी ये डिज़ाइन चेक करें, डिज़ाइन इज़ वेरी गुड ऑन दिस गन। और एक और चीज़ मैं आपको बताना भूल गया जो मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगा, तुर्किश बलीनी। तुर्किश बलीनी ये जो है, do you know what this is used for? Basically जो स्नाइपर्स आपने देखे होंगे, ठीक है, मूवीज़ में, हॉलीवुड की मूवीज़ हो गई, कोई भी लाइक आर्म फोर्सेस की मूवी हो गई, ठीक है, या सम एजेंट्स एनीवन, वो बेसिकली यहाँ से पकड़ते हैं, ठीक है, ग्रिप करते हैं यूँ करके, एंड देन दे स्टार्ट शूटिंग, ताकि उनको ग्रिप प्रॉपर मिल जाए, एंड लाइक दे कैन शूट प्रॉपरली, उनको कोई मसला ना हो टेकिंग अ शॉट। So basically these are very beautiful guns। So basically this is a conventional design, ठीक है, अभी Turkish Bellini। और ये जो तीन आप देख रहे हैं मेरे सामने, these three models are basically a bullpup। So basically what bullpup is, if you don't know, basically what bullpup does is that it allows the gun to cycle, and it's always in the back of the gun, ठीक है, it's always at the back of the gun। Karal XPS Turkish 12 gauge shotgun, a little bit modified। And then this is the Maverick MRC 912, and here we have is the Turkish Bellini, compact version of the Turkish Bellini 12 gauge shotgun। So basically this was the review of these beautiful Turkish origin shotguns। इन सब का डैमेज एक ही जैसा, ठीक है, all of these guns have the same amount of damage, ठीक है। Another thing is that I've heard people say that I have an original weapon and it's way better than a copy। ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है, ठीक है। All weapons they are machines and machine can break down at any time। So guns का भी ये भी machines हैं। Ammunition में problem हो सकता है, गन की अपनी कोई इसमें अपना कोई issue आ सकता है गन में, ठीक है। So it's not like you have an original weapon, it's always going to work perfectly fine। It's not that। So in the next video, in the next vlog, in the next gun review, we are going to be taking these beauties to the firing range, and we are going to be giving our field review on these guns, as we are going to be operating these guns। So I'm very much excited, I can't wait till that day comes। So finally I am done with the day, alright। So अभी घर जाके मैं PUBG खेलूँगा, फ़िलहाल तो मैं अपनी गाड़ी के टायर में हवा भरवा रहा हूँ। So don't forget to subscribe and like, alright।